Hello and welcome to this Decicity Seller's Guide to Adding a Product. On the Seller dashboard, click on the Products button. Click on the Add New button. Upload your product's images to the media library. Select the main image of your product and add any additional images in the field below. You can also add a video for your product in the Product Video field. Type in your product's name. Give your product an SKU. Type in a description of your product. Type in tags for your product and select any filter tags that apply to your product. Type in the price of your product. Type in your inventory quantity. Select all the categories that apply to your product. Remember to click Save once you've finished. Thank you for watching this Decicity guide on adding a product.